इस वीडियो में हम पार्ट 3 करेंगे, हमारा चैप्टर 3 क्लास 9 इकोनॉमिक्स पॉवर्टी एज ए चैलेंज का, मतलब मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन का। इस वीडियो में हम लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे 5 मार्क्स के। तो चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट देखते हैं। ये कह रहा है हाउ डज रैपिड ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज पॉवर्टी इन अ कंट्री। मतलब जो रैपिड ग्रोथ रेट होती है ना पॉपुलेशन का, वो कैसे पॉवर्टी को बढ़ाती है कंट्री में। Point first, rapid growth of population is comparison to the rate of growth of resources hampers the process of economic development. Second, increase in population reduce the per capita income and lowers the standard of living in an economy. Third, in India, rapid growth of population has put in more stress on its economic and social infrastructure and thereby aggravating the problem of poverty and employment. Third point, due to enormous population, a large portion of national income is used on consumption and less is left for saving, which in turn reduce the capital formation. Fourth point, as a result of low capital formation, enough employment opportunities cannot be created, which further aggravate the problem of poverty. Poor people in India are ignorant, illiterate, and has very little means of entertainment. So they end up adding more to the population. Question number second. What is poverty? What are the dimension of poverty? Dimension of poverty. Answer. Poverty is a situation in which a person is unable to get the minimum necessities of life. Due to poverty, poor people are in situation in which they are ill treated at almost every place. The dimension of poverty are first, poverty means hunger and lack of shelter. Second, it is a situation in which parents are not able to send their children to school or a situation where sick people cannot afford treatment. Third, poverty also means lack of clean water and sanitization facilities. Fourth, it also means lack of a regular job at a minimum decent level. Fifth, poor people are in situation in which they are illiterate at almost every place, in farms, factories, government offices, hospital, railway sector, etc. Question number 3. Discuss the various groups that are vulnerable to poverty. Answer. The following groups are vulnerable to poverty. First, the social groups. Social groups which are most vulnerable to poverty are scheduled caste and scheduled tribes households. Although the average of people below poverty line for all groups in India is 20 to 43 out of 100 people belonging to scheduled tribes are not able to meet their basic needs. Second, economic groups. Among the economic groups, the most vulnerable group are the rural agriculture labor household and the urban casual labor households. Third, inequality of income within a family. There is also inequality of income within a family. In poor families, all suffers, but some suffer more than other. In some cases, women, elderly people, and female infant are denied equal access to resources available to the family. Question number 4. ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. Yes. हाउ कैन पॉवर्टी बी रिड्यूस टू इन मतलब रिड्यूस इन फर्दर फ्यूचर इन इंडिया. मतलब पॉवर्टी को हम कैसे रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं फ्यूचर इंडिया में. पॉवर्टी कैन बी रिड्यूस इन द फॉलोइंग वेज. फर्स्ट, इंक्रीजिंग stress on universal free elementary education. Second, increasing empowerment of the women and the economically weaker section of society. Third, declining population growth. Fourth, avoiding caste and gender discrimination. Fifth, improving healthcare, education and job security. Sixth, removing inequality of wealth among people. तो स्टूडेंट इसी के साथ हमारा पार्ट 3 भी कंप्लीट होता है. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो एंड प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.